Yes. In very short, and now Independence Day. Now, you near Ghana, yam penny for the lives of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Nkrumah, Omoje Ghana to Homai. And now say, could ding any mudia, Omode boy, and Mogaji Ghana see Homai. If the American say, Yanga, Yedi Chia, yes, your boss, Ghana, because so etumpon Abuano. Yes, you know, sorry, waka. Lady are holding any mudia, Abua said you might deal with. Na that chibino. The day a person Ghana eduho amaye. Ebia na yesa na edikanfo no person omoye nefa. Nti eguso ba yeso wi. Yeso ye de ahoden ne yenim de beboa na ye nyina ye adwenkro say this is the direction we want to go so that in future no the younger generation can also emulate from us. Nti meda Ghana nyina ase na madam Mampoman ene Akuapem manfo nyina ase. Say me momo happy Independence Day.
Party registration koso. Any message for obi owo party no ho do e bia na adwem putu me nkoye ma me nkoye kura dem kura ne menya. Any message for those?
Yes. The thing say National Democratic Congress party no ebu enkrata mo say obi biara obesa wokotro odin na oka NDC amanyoko no kwanda ho say obekokotro odin. Enti the American say NDC amanyoko enti say wa wo hwe yen policies any ye nyama ye de bo amanfo na wani je ho a utumi control the free of charge na wonya ye ID card no se na be ya ubedwane party no nti the American say kwanda ho mo bibiara irrespective of who you are you have the right since so far as we are Ghanaian na we 18 years na there obetumi akọ amoma control the na also why wadwane NDC no mako various zones are registration centers I mean say you may dey no cost turnout is not all that bad but you hope by the end of the exercise our expectation the target number no yes sabata.
Honorable John Kumordzi and then we MC should you feel say okay when we announce 2028 still you should still watch out for Honorable John Kumordzi?
Well that one mainstream kind of tougher to see but to see no adwumadia yam papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ediasem say member aban catch penny work Akuapem North. And also by you are not skewing direct to your party alone. You are for both NDC, MPP, PNDC, whoever. You are for the whole Akuapem North. So as it stands now, I'm more or less neutral person trying to work hard and make sure that all the developmental agendas for the Akuapem North constituencies are achieved.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.